Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete transaction histories on Payee in the Monzo application. So first of all, you need to open your Monzo app and then you need to tap on the option of I already have an account. Over here, you need to provide your login credentials and you simply need to log in into your account. Now, in order to delete your transaction history, unfortunately, in the Monzo application or in the web browser, you won't be able to find any delete transaction history option. You can come on the Monzo community tab and over here you can see that this person asked, just wondering now, can you actually delete your transactions on your Monzo application? And in response to it, this person said you can't. You can remove the feed items that haven't had any effect on your balance, like active card checks or declined transactions, and these will have a cross behind them. So basically you cannot actually delete your transactions history. However, what I would recommend you doing is to simply contact to the Monzo customer service executive and you can ask them to remove the transaction history from your account and they can specifically do it for you. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.